Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: your Android version and whether the Settings app is disabled. Open Settings About Phone if you can, but if the icon is missing, open App Info from App Drawer Search. Once done, look for a Disable or Enable button. Enable it if disabled. If the app is present but hidden, long press the home screen, choose Widgets or Apps, then search Settings. This gets you into the app or exposes its shortcut so you can rebuild the icon. You now recreate the icon. If Settings exists in App Info, use Widgets. Long press Home, choose Widgets, find Settings shortcut and drag to a home panel. Once done, check Launcher Settings. Some launchers hide apps. Make sure hidden apps are visible or reset the home layout to default. If the stock launcher is broken, install an alternative launcher such as Nova or Launcher. They let you add the settings shortcut quickly and bypass launcher-level hiding or bugs that removed the icon. You finish with advanced recovery steps. Clear the launcher app's cache and storage from Settings apps if possible. This rebuilds the home screen and often returns missing icons. Once done, boot into safe mode to confirm if a third-party app caused the issue. If Settings appears in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. If nothing works, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if icons still missing after reset, the system image may be corrupted. Seek OEM support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.